Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Intoverse token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, June 25th, on a big central exchange. Ticker symbol for this token is TOX. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Intoverse token is being listed June 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TOX, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, June 25th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, their official webpage, intoverse.co, that's where you can find a lot of information. You can also find a full white paper over there. They also have links to their Medium, Discord, Telegram, which is at Intoverse Chat, or their Twitter, which is at Intoverse. And as always, I put the Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this token. Now, Into is a Web3 community operation management solution with 4 main functions: multi-chain wallet, SocialFi, digital identity, and artificial intelligence tools to fuel Web3 mass adoption. So in a nutshell, that's what this token is. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 3 billion tokens. Now, on Mexc Global, it says max total supply is 10 billion tokens, but their BSC scan says 3 billion, so maybe they'll address that. Could be a cross-chain token with maybe it's on Ethereum as well, or could be have some sort of rebase function, but it'll most likely tell us on their webpage here. Now, it says only 11 holders yet, so it's safe to assume that this token here is brand new, and this is their initial listing here. 18 decimal places on this token. So that's according to their BSC scan here. Now, their Twitter has 13,500 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well on their socials so far. So it says here, Into consists of a blockchain-driven consensus layer, a decentralized storage layer, decentralized domains and identities, decentralized wallets, and a Web3 browser that allows direct network access to users. To demonstrate how Into enables Web3, we present a set of common Web2 social applications based on Into's re-architecture, such as Into Red Packets, Into Chat, and other redesigned social networks in Web3. This approach has enabled Into to make significant improvements to the core protocols of the traditional internet, which can be implemented in terms of privacy, security, censorship resistance, and transparency. Therefore, Into fully complies with the definition standards of Web3. So it says, to address the challenges of decentralization, we must acknowledge that a 100% decentralized network is not practical. Instead, we need to strike a balance between decentralization and centralized solutions to achieve a sustainable and efficient network. So number one, to migrate the issue of unbearable resource consumption. We need to adopt a selective approach to decentralization. Number 2, performance is another crucial aspect to consider. Traditional consensus algorithms like proof of work, proof of stake, and delegated proof of stake are not yet efficient enough to support a large-scale decentralized network. Number 3, the cost of achieving consensus on a decentralized network can be prohibitive. Number 4, to compete with centralized services, decentralized solutions must prioritize user experience and content. And in summary, decentralization is a viable solution to break the monopolistic nature of the internet. However, achieving 100% decentralized networks are impractical. Instead, we need to adopt a balanced approach using selective decentralization, innovative consensus mechanisms, reduced costs, and a focus on user experience and content to create a sustainable decentralized network. So if we scroll down on their paper here, they have they have 26 pages of information. They go over the architecture of Into. So it's mainly composed of 3 parts. The validation node of a decentralized network. Number 2, the end user's mobile app, a browser with built-in functions like a community user signature and authorization. And number 3, community social fingerprints that support Into. So there's charts and graphs and all sorts of things that show how the network works. You can go over authentication. They have the Into chat. So in order to ensure anonymity in Web3 social networking and provide users with convenient social tools, Into has built a decentralized private chat tool based on UDP technology while providing rich functions and supporting various rich media. So then it goes over the technical features, like the clients are behind different NATs, and the clients are behind the same NAT. And then they go over the social fingerprint here. Data consistency based on match, zero knowledge proof, and the tokenomics. So let's skip right to the tokenomics here. So 10% of the tokens, a lot of these, how they're allocated have different vesting periods. Linearly, you can go over when they're released and all that type of stuff. Now, 10% of the tokens go to social mining, 60% staking, mining, 15% ecological fund, 3% exchange fund, 2% promotion fund, 1% early bird round, 8% team, 1% advisors. Now, so there is staking mining, so there's a way to acquire rewards that way, all sorts of different incentives. Now, they have a conclusion here. Basically, this is what Into is in a nutshell. Into integrates the latest cutting-edge technology to create a platform specifically designed for Web3 social services, while also committed to transforming user social relationships into assets, thereby creating a larger economy in the Web3 world and creating value for every Web3 user. We have reason to believe that with the support of Into, the Web3 industry will officially enter into the right track and develop rapidly. So then there's a big disclaimer, but yeah, check out all the information on their webpage, intoverse.co. Check out their socials, their Twitter posted in the corner there, and check this token out on Mexc Global. It'll be listed tomorrow. Check out the referral codes down there. There's an Mexc Global one down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the TOX token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.